Namaste and welcome to today's meditation. You have done the work. You have sat for hours and you've had the insights. But why does your body still not believe you? Understanding your patterns and actually changing them, these two are two completely different events happening in two completely different parts of you. The mind opens, the insight arrives, but the shoulders stay tight. The jaw is clenched. The body responds in its old patterns anyway. I have watched this in my clients, in my students across the years. Someone comes in having done years of therapy, years of practice. They can name every pattern, they know the neurobiology, the science, they can trace their trigger back to its origin. But when life happens, they respond, the body responds exactly the same way as before, as though nothing has changed, even despite the awareness. Because for the physical body, nothing actually did change, and that is the truth. Here's what I have come to understand through movement and through yoga and through years of watching how physical bodies actually hold and release. Insight lives in one layer, but experience lives in another. And they do not automatically speak to each other. The mind can expand into real awareness, genuine, hard earned awareness, but the body will still brace. It will still tighten. It will organize itself around what it learned to carry a long time ago, long before you even had the language to name it, to even say, oh, I'm sad, I'm happy, angry. Before all of this, your body learned a pattern. This doesn't mean that you're doing it wrong. This is the nature of your system, and it's always trying to maintain its baseline coherence. But even when what it's holding is no longer serving you, even when you know that this is detrimental to your health, your long term peace and joy, when it overwhelms your nervous system, your body is still clenching because releasing felt too dangerous. And the body has a longer memory than the mind. The body really keeps the score, which is why any practice like yoga or therapy or meditation or movement, it only reaches one layer and eventually you will hit a ceiling. The shoulders stay tight, sleep is restless, some situation happens and it triggers the same response, not because you have not done the work or you have not worked hard enough, because the work hasn't reached you to the depth where the pattern actually lives. Remember yin and yang, it's not sequential. You don't heal the mind and then heal the body. They have to happen simultaneously. They have to be met at the same time, worked with simultaneously. So, the integrated self is the self that has understood everything. It's the self that has allowed your awareness and your insight land all the way down into the depth of your tissues, into every cell in your body, into the breath, into your nervous system, to actually feel that sense of safety so that you can finally let go of the bracing. This is the practice. It's not more insight, it's simply understanding depth. Your entire system is one living design. So when one layer carries a new insight, but it has not been transferred to the other levels, Your body knows a new thing, but it hasn't reached the mind, or when the mind has a certain understanding or awareness, but your body has not integrated, then the whole thing, the whole being compensates. The work is to integrate, to really seep that sense of safety into every cell of your being. And for that, we sit and we observe. We start with the breath. Observe your breath. Keep this as your anchor. Relax the physical body part by part, starting from the top of the head, forehead. Unclench the jaw. Relax your neck and shoulders. Feel the weight of your arms. Feel the ease of your breath, movement in the rib cage, expanding as you inhale. Feel the softness of your spine. Unclench your belly, your hips, your legs. Let go of tension in every voluntary muscle in your body. And simply observe Sukha in your Sukhasana. Continue the sitting in silence. And remind your body that it is safe to unclench right now. Repeat this as a mantra mentally with every single breath. You inhale safety and you exhale stress. You inhale calm confidence and you exhale all the tightness in your body. We end the practice with a short tapping. I am safe. My body can release right now. I no longer need to hold tension as any proof that I survived. I survived, so now I can soften. Safety is already here. I can release tension in every single layer of my being. Every layer of me is allowed to understand and receive this truth. I am safe. I am at ease. I am strong. Namaste.